Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
I'm Dr. Hasina. I was working in Riyadh, in Saudi Arabia for the last 13 years in Ministry of Health. And I lost my job from Princess Noura University. And I lost everything, but I was really heartbroken. But by the persistence and the patience, and I used to make dhikr all the time, even when I'm in the market. I have heard that market is the place where we forget everything. But when I was selecting my vegetables or fruit, I used to remember Allah. Alhamdulillah, even without my job, I could come here and provide my family. Alhamdulillah. And the persistence and the patience, it made me get another better job in Ministry of Health. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. And I served for 3 years in Saudi Arabia, the capital, Riyadh, and in a tertiary center as a specialist. I'm proud of that. Again, I lost one job. Now I'm here in Dubai with another heartbreak, and I'm really, really desperate now. But still, I'm hopeful. I am hopeful in His mercy, and I am sure that I will achieve my dream in this blessed city.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Ameen, Ameen, Ameen.
One more thing is that please.
May Allah bless you and grant you better than what He took away from you. That's the dua of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I really believe that Allah will bestow upon you much better than what He took away from you.
Yes,
so,
and one more thing.
Yes.
That is Surah al-Duha. Duha, it is making me powerful. Please make others also recite this and make it in their habit of reciting this and understanding it. Thank you.
MashaAllah, you heard it, my brothers, my sisters. I want to tell you something. She spoke about patience, and she spoke about a heartbreak more than once, and distress and desperation. And when you think, wow, what's going to happen? I just lost my job. I have bills to pay. I have monthly installments to pay, and so on. Wallahi, all of that is gonna manage itself. You may have to adjust in a big way. Don't be ashamed or shy to adjust your life at a time when you're struggling financially, because if Allah bestowed upon you a certain level and you were living on it, there might come a time when He wants to see if you're ready to downgrade, because He wants you to downgrade. If you're too proud to downgrade, you're going to suffer. You can downgrade. We're happy. Allah took away what He gave us. It's okay, we downgraded, and guess what? A few years later, we upgraded beyond the point we were at the beginning. So alhamdulillah, may Allah help you and grant you ease.
Ooh.